You guys, check it out. My bundle of joy is here. I just got this package in from Makerflo, and look at how awesome those stickers are of all the people who packaged it. So let's open it up and see what I got inside. Oh man, I struggle at opening boxes apparently. There we go. I love Makerflo. I love their products, and I cannot wait to see what I have been sent by Sam. All right, let's get rid of this. We don't need it. Don't need it. Whoa, there's a bunch of stuff in here. All right, we got some the stainless steel pens that they have. That's really cool. I've never used those before, so that would be pretty awesome to do. Look at that. I cannot wait to do some sublimating on that. We got the classic purple 30-ounce tumbler, which is amazing to engrave. I love engraving on these. We got a black one. I believe this is the 10-pack powder-coated starter kit that you can get from their website. We got the 20-ounce yellow skinny. Let me know if you guys have any ideas of what we should engrave on these items as well. We got the 20-ounce orange skinny. We got some purple. Oh my gosh, my colors. We got some blue coffee mugs. Amazing. We got a pink coffee mug. Maybe we'll do a giveaway with one of the coffee mugs. What do we think? We got another blue coffee mug. Blue is my favorite color. I don't know if you guys can tell. Wow, and see, they knew. They somehow just telepathically knew blue was my favorite color because we got some awesome blue glitters. Cannot wait to do those. And we got the UV resin to try out. Awesome. I've heard some really good things about that. We got the UV flashlight, and I love their little logo. It's so cute. Love that font. What is this? Oh, I think it's a flask. Okay, now that is gonna be cool. This would be perfect for Father's Day. We got two flasks, and then two flasks, and this is the glow in the dark. Yes, for the pens. I love glow in the dark things. They are always amazing. And look at this, the box just keeps going. We got another blue coffee mug. Again, blue is my favorite color. We got a yellow, my colors, a white coffee mug. We got a red coffee mug. All right, now these are my favorite, my absolute favorite. The 32-ounce water bottle comes with two different lids. Comes with a straw lid, and it comes with just like an open mouth lid. We got a dark blue one, and we got this really nice bubblegum pink one. How awesome is that? How awesome is this box of goodies? I cannot wait to work with all of this. Thank you so much to Makerflo for sending me this. Makerflo is a great supporter of the channel, so make sure you check out all their products, because if you make crafts, they're super amazing.